like to welcome everyone to Honors Algebra 2 second semester. You know that you are going to be having a new teacher. My name is Davine Wyatt, and I have been a teacher for several years. I recently retired from Wise County Public Schools in July of this year. And once the job came open with VAVA, I decided that I still missed teaching tremendously and wanted to be a part of teaching. And I applied for that and was very lucky to get that job. I taught in Wise County, which is in far southwest Virginia. We're about 3 hours beyond Roanoke. And as you can tell, I do have an accent from the area. I taught at Powell Valley High School in Big Stone Gap, Virginia, and I taught at Coburn High School in Coburn, Virginia, which then became Eastside High School due to consolidation. At those schools, I taught Algebra 1, Honors Algebra 2, and AFDA. I was a cheer coach for several years, for many years actually, and loved every minute of it. I enjoyed going to basketball, football, baseball, softball games, all of those. I still enjoy going to the games. Our son helps coach baseball at Eastside High School. Our daughter helps coach softball at Eastside High School. My husband and I are fans of college football games, and we do go and watch University of Tennessee football. My husband's name is Joel. We have been married 25 years. We do not have any children together. We have a blended family. I have son Dave. He has 2 daughters, Haley and Alex. And we have an extra daughter, a bonus daughter, which we call our adopted daughter. I was her mentor teacher when she started teaching in high school, and we became friends. She became friends with her daughter Alex at first, and she actually ended up moving in with us and lived with us for about 3 years until she got married. So essentially, she is one of our family, and we do consider her one of our daughters. All 4 of our children are teachers. We have 3 that are special ed teachers, and we have 1 who is a math teacher. Dave and Alex both teach at Dryden Elementary School in Dryden, Virginia, and they are special ed teachers. Haley teaches at Wise Middle School in Wise, Virginia, and she is also a special ed teacher. And Carnita teaches at Eastside High School, and she is a math teacher. She teaches geometry, she teaches Algebra 3, she teaches math analysis. We have 4 grandchildren. As you can see, I've posted a couple of pictures from Christmas. You can look at them and tell the meanness coming out of them, but they're wonderful. The oldest one is Bo. Bo is the one who is kind of given the V's, the victory sign here. And he is 6. He will turn 7 in January. And he is our oldest and the most rotten. We have Theo, the other boy, and he is right now 4. He will turn 5 in January. We have Pippa. She is the oldest of the 2 girls. She is 4. and she will turn 5 in February. And last but not least, we have Moxie, and Moxie is 3 years old. She turned 3 in November. Bo belongs to her son Dave. Theo belongs to her daughter Cornita, and Pippa and Moxie belong to her daughter Haley. As you can see from this, we have several pets. We have 1 dog and we have 4 cats. The dog's name is Mocha. She is a Shih Tzu, and she is almost 12 years old. She's getting kind of old. We have Lamar. Lamar was given to us by a friend for our daughter, and we ended up keeping him. And he is probably around 13 years old. Retha is the mother of the other 2 cats, Retta and Ran Ran. We've had Retha probably about 6 or 7 years, and Retta and Ran Ran are her babies, and they're both twice as big as she is, and we have had them approximately the same amount of time, due to the fact that when we took Retha in, she was going to have kittens. Okay, this is a little bit of background about me personally, and to try to get to, for you to know me and for me to know you. I'm sure at some point you're going to see my cats, my dog. You're liable to see my grandchildren. So I'm looking forward to a great start to the new semester, and can't wait to get started and get to know each of you and work with each of you individually.